Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Boxycharm for the month of August. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's pretty much a monthly subscription that I get in the mail. I only pay $26, so that's actually really cheap for everything that I get in the box. I get 5 full-size products of either makeup, skincare, anything that's beauty related, and I get it for full size. And it could be name brand. It's some brands I haven't heard of, but it's all great quality brands, or it's Boxycharm brands as well. But Boxycharm brands are great as well. So I have this box here for the month of August. I have 5 full-size items, and pretty much you get a pamphlet as well as the products all in the box. This is what the box looks like for the month of August. And this pamphlet tells you everything that is inside the box, and it tells you like a little description of what the product is and how to use it, and it tells you the actual retail price. So like I said, I only pay $25 a month for this box. So if you are into makeup and skincare like that, and you frequently buy makeup or skincare, this is definitely a great box. You get so many items in. You could get eyeshadow palettes, eyebrow pencils, lipsticks, you get serums, moisturizers. You can literally get anything beauty related inside this box. You can also pick once a month what specific item you want in this box. It's not guaranteed to always get it, but most likely if you pick it ahead of time, you will get it in the box. I actually didn't pick this month. I just said whatever I want, whatever you guys give me. So pretty much you fill out a survey in the beginning, you answer some questions, and then you answer some questions based off of like your skin type. They ask you a bunch of like beauty related questions so they can get to know you and send you products for your specific body, face, whatever it is. But yeah, pretty much that's what Boxycharm is. I honestly think it's great and so worth it. Like I said, if you do beauty and skincare and you're into makeup like that, this is definitely a box that would be beneficial to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much explain everything that I got in my box, read the item, show you the item, and tell you the retail price as well. And I always add up the retail price and leave it in the description box as well. So if you guys are ever interested in how much I actually spend or how much this box is actually worth, you guys can go ahead and look in the description box. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and we're gonna start with the first one. This is QMS Medicosmetics. If I say the name wrong, I'm sorry, but this is QMS Medicosmetics. It's an active glow tinted day cream. So this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It's a little pump tube. I love the color. It's literally like metallic-y blue. So this item is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. It helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibility, glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. And remember, keep in mind, I only pay $25. This alone is $105. So this tube right here is $105. So I think you can wear this as like makeup in a way. It's a tinted day cream, so it's cream, it's a moisturizer for your face for the morning, but it's tinted as well, so it kind of gives you like a little color in your face and you're not so, you know, walking out all pale and stuff. But yeah, this, let's see if it comes out like a color. Any day. Is this real? Alright, that's not working. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out and let you guys know how it looks and how it feels on my skin. But we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the second item. It's Cargo Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. So that's this. This is what the back looks like. It pretty much tells you the colors. And this, oh my god, this is so cute. This is the inside, whoops. So these colors are Coconut Grove, South Point, Pastelito, Española Way, Cortadito, Moon Over Miami, Brickell, Wynwood, and Lincoln Road. So that is literally, this is, I guess, Miami vibes. I literally love these colors. I usually wear a lot of browns or like oranges on my lid. So this is so pretty. I love the black vibes, okay. I like it. This is a combination of 9 neutral matte and shimmer eyeshadows to complement and define your eyes. This travel-friendly palette is perfect for a beautifully enhanced everyday look. So the actual retail price of this is $39.99. So this is $40. This little palette is $40 and I only paid $25. Just saying. Okay, so moving on to the third item. It is Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Let's see what that is. So this is what the box looks like. So it is a Velvet Lip Perfector. Let's see what it says. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a lightweight, smooth texture that delivers a highly pigmented, velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. And this is $26. The color is called Velvet Red number 3. And I'm just gonna swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh wow. So it's already a different shape. So I guess it's mousse-like, so it's not an actual stick that you just would put on normally. So this is what it looks like, the bristle. This is what the bristle looks like. And I'm just gonna squeeze it out for you guys. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it on my wrist for you guys. Wait, I literally love this color, I think. Wow. It's not like a bright red. Do you see that? It is definitely velvet. You get literally velvet vibes. Look at that. I honestly thought that looking at the box itself, it was gonna be like a bright red, but it's not. It's like more of a wine color, so I kind of like that better. I don't really like too much of a bright red on me. But I legit love this. It is so velvety and it's almost matte-like. It's not matte, but it's velvety, but it doesn't stay like wet looking or wet feeling. So this says Velvet Lip Perfector. Yeah, that's it. So that's actually really pretty to use. Fall color lipstick. I love that. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the next item. It is the Trestique, a matte for every mood, mini matte lip crayon set. So this is what that is. This is the box. This is the front of the box. This is the back. These are all the shades that come inside the box. So one is called Nantucket Nude, Florence Fig, Barcelona Bright Berry, Chili Red, Belize Borax, and Tuscan Wine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these all for you as well. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look how they come. They come as like a little crayon. Can you guys see? Whoops. They come like a little crayon or like a lip pencil. You take it off like this. It slides up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it under the other color that I used. This is called, this one is the Nantucket Nude. That's what it looks like. That's a really pretty shade, nude. This one is called Florence Fig. Let's see it compared to this one. Okay, so this one's a little bit more pinky than the first one. That's pretty as well. And the next one is Barcelona Bright Berry. Dang, this one's gonna be bright. Okay, on my Barbie vibes. That's pink, legit Barbie. Barbie. Do you guys see me moving on my chair? The next color is Chili Red. Dang. So this is definitely brighter than this velvet one. This is what it looks like. It's just so hard for me to show you guys. The next one is the Belize Borax. Belize? I don't know. Whatever. But this is so pretty. This kind of reminds me of a wine too. Let me just move it up here so you guys can see. And the last shade is Tuscan Wine. So this one might be a wine one too. Okay. This is pretty. This one kind of reminds me of this shade a little bit. Obviously they're different shades, but this kind of reminds me of that. So these are all the shades, minus this one, that come inside this little packet. Literally so pretty. And this one, how much is it? This is $58. What the? This is legit $58. That's insane. But anyway, that's actually so cute and I can't wait to use these colors. Literally can't wait to use these colors. This nude is everything and the shade under it, period, cool. Okay, the next one, we're gonna move on to the last and final item. It is by Realher. It's a definer brow pencil. This is what it looks like in the box. This is the back, the side, metallic-y. And this says, this long-lasting micro-tip pencil allows you to create individual like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. Okay. Get you through your day with this brow pencil. But this is retailed for $16. What the heck? We're stuck. Does it tell me the shade? No, but like I said in the beginning, you do fill out a survey and everything like that, so they will send you the right shade that you need. Okay, I can't get this out. I'm just gonna have to rip the box for you guys so you can see. It's okay, I don't need the box anyway. Ooh, super thin, I can already tell. Super thin. So it does come with a little spoolie on the end to brush your hairs. This you can use to brush your hairs. And then this is the tip. And then this is the eyebrow pencil. It is super thin. I don't want to break it. Whoops. This is the shade that I got. So it's like a brown shade. It doesn't really say the color. It doesn't have a color or a number or anything like that, but it says, I am strong. Get it? I am strong. But yeah, so like I said, that one's $16. And that's pretty much all I got in my Boxycharm for the month of August. This was a really cool box. I can't wait to try the Tinted Day Cream. Like I said, I'm going to total this up and put the full retail value of the entire box, everything that's in here, in the description box below. So be sure to go check that out. But that's about it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go click that subscribe button, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for, who you're waiting for, but go click it. And comment down below what else you want to see from me. Give this video a like. Go smash it if you like Boxycharm and want to buy everything in this box. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.